Welcome to video number 7. In this video, we have 6x squared plus 6y squared plus 36x plus 6y equals 0. And in a case like this, where you have coefficients in front of x squared or y squared, the best idea would be to divide. So notice I can divide every single term by 6, and this is perhaps conveniently engineered to work this way, but nevertheless, that's your first move if you have coefficients in front of your variables. So now this problem becomes x squared plus y squared plus 6x plus y equals 0. And these are equivalent. If you graph them on Desmos, this is the exact same circle. Now I can follow my other procedure that I did before. So I have x squared plus 6x plus blank. I want to organize all the x's together, and then y squared plus y plus blank. Now here there's no constant term, so I just have to make sure I put 2 blanks on the right-hand side of the equation. Now I'm going to, quote, complete the square. 6 divided by 2 squared is going to give me 9. I'm going to add 9 to the left and the right, and I'm going to rewrite x squared plus 6x plus 9 as a binomial squared, okay? Then I'm going to take the 1 divided by 2 and square it. Remember, no calculator. We're going to do this all with fractions. This is going to be 1/4. So 1/4. And I have to add a 1/4 to the right. Now, how do I write this as a binomial squared? This is going to be y plus 1/2 quantity squared. Okay, if you don't believe me, you can think about multiplying this out. Okay, now on the right, instead of calling this a 9, I think I'm going to call this a 36/4, right? That's the same thing. And 36/4 plus 1/4 is 37/4. Okay, so no calculators during this. We're going to use everything in simplest radical form or fractions. Now I can see that my center is going to be at -3, -1/2, and my radius is going to be the square root of 37/4. Remembering that when I take a square root of a fraction, I take the square root of the numerator, square root of denominator, which is the square root of 37/2. I will see you in the next video.